way you want your body rubbed down, that's how you should rub down this chicken, okay? We are making rotisserie chicken today, like Boston Market who? Boston Market who? Okay, we're making oven baked rotisserie chicken. I'm so excited that you are watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that, and also make sure you click that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video on Fridays. I'm not gonna do a super long intro because y'all are here for the chicken. So let's go. So now that I've scraped everything off, I always take a piece of a lemon, save the other half, we're going to use that later, and I just kind of scrub the chicken. I squeeze the juice on it, under the skin as well, under the skin and in this cavity. This is just something that I do. A lot of people don't prep or clean their chicken, but this is just how I grew up, so we gonna do what it do. I just can't skip it. I just can't skip it. You know, some people do what they do, but we gonna do what we do over here. In the comments, let me know if you do quote unquote wash your chicken. What is the big controversial thing about it? People have said it spreads or whatever, but honestly, I've never gotten sick. None of my family members have ever gotten sick. So I don't know. I guess whatever works for you, works for you. Prepping your chicken to me is key before you even put any type of seasoning on it. So that's that. Olive oil is down, it's on the chicken, okay? And the reason why I like to put olive oil on my chicken beforehand is because it helps the seasoning stick, one, and then two, when it's in the oven, it really helps get that nice brown crispy skin that we like, that nice crispy golden brown finish on the rotisserie chicken. I'm just getting so excited thinking about it. I'm about to season this. We're just gonna season this. And when I tell you season, like, don't be shy, because this is a big chicken, you know? And that's generously on the outside. We're gonna season on the inside and in the skin. A lot of people forget about inside the skin. That's where the actual meat is, you know what I'm saying? So if it's only seasoned on the outside, I just feel like you don't get that like flavor, like you don't get all of the flavor. I season in the skin because after I cut past the chicken, what am I eating? Meat. I want to get down to the meat, so that's where I want to get the flavor in. You should be really massaging this chicken. The way you want your body rubbed down, that's how you should rub down this chicken, okay? That's how you should give it a nice little massage. You know how you go to the nail salon and they do this to your feet? This bird is getting a pedicure, honey. All in there. All in there. Coat everything. Your hands may get a little, you know, messy, but you can always wash your hands. Y'all see how seasoned this bird is? Yes, get into this. Let me put my ring light inside. Let me get closer so y'all can really see. Look at that. Look at that. You already know this is about to be vibes. This is about to be flavor on top of flavor, okay? So, the next thing I'm gonna do is take the other half of the lemon I had, and I just want to give it a little squeeze on this chicken. It gives a little citrus. It gives a little bit of that extra kick, you know? Gives a little bit of the extras. I'm gonna put that in. We are almost in the home stretch. We're just gonna put this bad boy in the oven, And I had to get some twine here, or string really, cooking string. And I want to tie these legs up. If you have the actual rotisserie rotator device, I don't know what it's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. You would put the cylinder inside of the chicken here, let it come out outside. But this is an oven baked rotisserie chicken, okay? This is something easy that you can pop in, forget about it for 45 minutes to an hour, and then, or low and slow, you pop it in the oven, do everything else you have to do around the house. You know, just make it simple. Enough chat. It's the seasoning for me. It's sexy. It's easy and sexy, and we haven't even put it in the oven. This is one chick that is real easy. Y'all, we're gonna offer this up. In the name of Jesus, bless this chicken and the hands who prepared it. Amen. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, y'all, the chicken is out the oven and it's looking fly. It's looking nice and juicy. Let me show y'all. Let me turn this camera on so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Take some of the drippings that was in this pan while the chicken was cooking. I'm just gonna lightly pat and brush that juice on there. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Some color, presentation. Let's cut into this chicken. Let's see what it's looking like on the inside. The outside is pretty, but let's see what the inside is talking about. I'm not even really good at cutting chicken like that. I asked Babe to do it, but he wants to film. Y'all see that juiciness? Look at that juice. This chicken will cut into another little piece here. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's moist. It tastes better than the store-bought rotisserie chicken, but it has the same, I guess, basis of flavor, the seasoning that's in it. But wow, that's perfect. I'm like about to eat this damn chicken. Let me give some to you to try. That's how easy it is, y'all. Make this recipe. I'm telling you, it's Sunday. The dinner is going crazy. Don't mind like my little butchering skills. I'm not a knife artist, but I'm just gonna cut and I'm gonna eat. That's really good. Bye, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe.